Hey everybody, welcome back to the Kryptonite Show. Your host Superman in the house. We've got the weekly Monster Thread, of course, a Kryptonite Show publication. Editor-in-chief MVS Crypto has published this yesterday, and it's pretty much hot off the press. So weekly Monster Thread number 42. Let's check it out and have a look at what's been happening over the last week. Well, the market has been on the dive. Well, we've got Richard Hart's call, Hive FN Hangout, Australian DeFi community, and much more alpha. Join Emmett Farm and True DeFi today for steady EDI returns on single-side staking and popular farm options. So check out those farms. Going to hear more from them in the future, I'm sure. Richard's call. Richard Hart, of course, the founder of Pulsechain and Hex, calls for the community to reach out to the hundreds of websites showcasing incorrect information about Hex, Pulsechain, and PulseX to tidy that all up. So that's a pretty good call to action. Internet Money on ProveX Internet Money Wallet gives props to ProveX for adding Internet Money Wallet as a default option on the official ProveX website. So it was pretty exciting to see that. Let's go check that out while we're here. You can see that shout out there. Shout out to the ProveX team. We've got Internet Money right there on the old website there. So pretty cool. Hive FN Hangout. So the Hive, of course, is where everyone's been dispatching these promotion pads for Pulsechain that Richard Hart and supporters have set up. Captain RG3 hosted a stream from the Hive with the crew, including a Wild SJ and Wuji and many special guests. So you can check that all out there. Looks pretty cool. A lot of well-known people there. We've got Pulsechain Times, a crypto triple dad, went live with Fast Abdul and special guest Saint Wolf Vision. So two big developers and influencers there, along with Saint Wolf, a specialized influencer. And of course, they had a good show as well. So let's have a quick look at that one while we're at it. So there we go. Good old Saint Wolf there doing his thing for the Pulsechain crypto community. We got meeting of the giants, heavyweights Neil for crypto and Daniel there from True DeFi get together with base legend Brockman. So they're doing that, and from Dex Finance to discuss cross-chain yield loops. And we're going to hear more about yield farming and DeFi farming on Pulsechain moving forward too. So pretty cool to see that cross-chain collaboration there. Liberty Swap updates, of course, Liberty Swap leading the way on Pulsechain with privacy and unified trading. And of course, intent trading is the big shift that they're moving to. Liberty Swap announced new upgrades, full support for private swaps from Railgun to all Pulsechain assets, including meme coins for ultimate privacy and seamless transactions. So it was pretty exciting to see that from Liberty Swap. So we'll check that out. See the Liberty Swap exchange there from Railgun Private. Click on Private, Railgun to Peacock there. Very exciting. Let's see what else we've got going there. Brisbane meetup. So we've seen a lot of meetups in Australia there recently. Coexistence 7, another influence in the space, shared more pictures from the Australian DeFi meetup with a Jimmy 369 in Perth, now in Brisbane, and planning the next event. So that seems to be getting bigger all the time in the old Australia there. So great stuff there. We can even see Jexa in view there. Jexa, of course, the founder of the Vouch protocol, largest validator on Pulsechain. So pretty exciting there. We got Lasso Finance. We probably haven't talked too much about them, but crypto stablecoin prepaid card. Lasso Finance has shared a message dedicated to all Hexkins, showcasing seamless credit card or credit deposits in just a few seconds. So it was pretty neat to see. Let's have a look at that. It's got a little video there for 30 seconds. Deposit credit in 20 seconds instead of minutes. And they got the video sped up there. So very exciting there. To all Hexkins, Pulsechain transactions are much faster now. So that's from Lasso Finance. Movies about movies seems a bit funny, but Georgia Carrera, another influencer in the Pulsechain with Left House Record, indie filmmaker or Indican filmmaker there, went live for a fun stream while sharing Indican movie stories. And I think they were covering things like, Star Wars, movies about movies, and Indican moving stories. So they've been doing a lot of stuff in that space. So definitely check out that stream there. And DJ Mr. Lefty, pretty well known there. So big shout out to Georgia for that. Bullish case for Pulsechain. We got OG Tangent, another Pulsechain influencer and TA guru in the space. He dropped an article sharing the bull case for Pulsechain, getting over 20,000 views. So probably pretty timely given where the Pulsechain market is right now. So you can give that a check out too if you want to see where things might be heading. So pretty good right up there for Tangent. and quite a fulsome article as well. So I'm sure you get pretty good takeaways there from that. So you can see it's pretty extensive. So big shout out for that one there to Tangent. Now we also got 1 hour segment. Jana Crypto Queen, I should say, went live to discuss the crypto markets and energy stocks, followed by a full hour segment researching Pulsechain for the first time. So we've got some big influencers out there looking at Pulsechain from time to time, and does seem to be increasing there. So great to see that. Join us to talk about crypto market, energy stocks, and Pulsechain. Nice work there. So very cool. We've got a Wild SJ in there kicking it into gear as well with some of the community gatherings there with Pulsechain. So that's pretty cool. Nice picture of them. Limit orders inbound. Crypto Coffee highlighted Agora X, or Agora X, I should say, built by Hexgetter for limit orders on Pulsechain. So we are seeing a few options around for that, including like Switch from Brandon, people like that. So that's pretty cool. So big shout out to Crypto Coffee out there. Don't worry, everyone. Pulsechain can finally pump because now we have limit orders. So yeah, we're getting a few limit orders options now. So if that's something you need as part of your financial setup or trading setup, that is a place to go. So Pulsechain's on-chain limit order DEX is in play. First impression articles. And Annabelle there wrote an article on Pulsechain after meeting community for the first time. So another newbie come into the old Pulsechain there. And Pulsechain is one of the most polarizing projects in crypto, she writes, and getting thousands of views. So a lot of fresh influencers coming in and talking to new audiences about Pulsechain. So that's pretty good to see, right? So fantastic stuff going on there. Check that out. We also have Igloo Research Spaces. Igloo hosted a research live space followed by a thread testing action RPG templates with Pulsechain and banana branded assets. So you can go check that out too if that's something that's of interest to you. My brain is officially been melted by the possibilities. So I have to shelf templates projects that put some AAA titles to shame. So there we go. Imagine just changing the color scheme from orange to versus blue, and away you go. So there we go. Check that out for the gamers. We also had Amish got engaged, which is awesome. I always love it when we see community members having some life milestones there. Nothing like getting engaged. House of Hex there announced his engagement, and a big congrats to him. You can see he's dancing out there in the wild, which is pretty fun. So good stuff happening here. Let's go click on that original post. There we go. So some nice images there as well. All right, let's jump down here. We also got to finish it off with the news. We got Mischief Finance returns onto the Pulsechain scene with a video explainer on how to bridge funds to Pulsechain and how to buy PDGC, one of the top protocols on Pulsechain, the first DAO project on Pulsechain there. So that is from Richie Mischief there, another influencer in the space there with 9,000 followers. So great. We had a couple of new influencers there covering Pulsechain during this downtime in crypto and Pulsechain markets, which is pretty cool. We also got some honorable mentions. We got Ben Sierra there. Ben Sierra shared updates to the Sway front end with new features, so you can check that out. Ben Sierra, of course, one of our quants or what I call analytical influencers, so you can check out all that. Ben Sierra does some wonderful Hex reports as well every month, and they've been very popular as well. So check out that for his Sway products. We also have Pipeline Weezy picked up additional Pulsechain tablets. So we've still got a lot of tablet promotions going on. We've seen that in the last couple of weeks on the Monster Thread. I'm doing my part and, of course, picking up those tablets and sharing them out. Look at that. So they're going out in all sorts of different ways now. And I think that mix of different delivery is pretty cool. So nice stuff there. Let's give a follow back while we're here, right? All right. So we have also had Just a Pulse Guy drops a fresh track for the community. So let's have a look at that. I'm just a Pulse Guy living free on the Pulsechain. Dropping in some new videos, and of course these do pretty well, don't they? So kind of cool. Just a Pulse Guy there doing very well with the videos. So check out the videos there. Very creative, and of course I think they're tied into Peacock and Liberty Swap a little bit, aren't they? Hex Stake Play dropped updates on listing Pulsechain tablets on Amazon as well. So I got some still more promotions going. That's going to be very important week after week, just getting out those promotion tablets to all sorts of endpoints, and that brings on new people, right? Update on the tablets being listed on Amazon, and that's really great to see. So you can check that out, and I've got a wild SJ in that video as well. All right, so those were some of the honorable mentions. We got some pretty top tier teams on Pulsechain. Heartwood Dog, of course. Let's get into some of that. We've got True DeFi, Emmett Farm, and Nexium Pulse, as well as Vict on Pulse, a Profit, which is the Veterans Foundation there on Pulsechain. So let's check out some of these latest happenings. So Hog, Pulse of the Fallen Season 2 is coming. There's been quite a little teasers, a couple of weeks of teasers before it all comes, but look at this animation. It is mind-blowing. So Green Candle Energy will triumph over Evil, Red Candle Energy, and of course, we've been enjoying this build-up because it's got all the big KOLs that you love there, like Crypto Coffee, Collider on crypto as well, and you can see some of the animations that are coming and play. The mind-bending showdowns continue with Bill Gates versus Shill Gates, of course. Shill Gates, of course, another big influencer on Pulsechain. Season 2 of the Pulse of the Fallen is coming, diving into the origin of the power, the cost of survival, and the tragic paths that shape legends. So we're excited. Look at that. I love the anime. So good. Team Green versus Red or Soy, like an RT there. So we've got a lot of cool stuff happening. You can check out Season 1, of course, Pulse of the Fallen, with the whole background to Hog's journey and many of their favorite influences, as well as the interim series Chronicles of Hog, Sommy, and Andrew Tate that we saw leading up to the end of Christmas and into the new year. So awesome stuff. You can also buy Hog, of course, on the Pulsechain. I think it's done pretty well too. It's one of the very best performers. And like I say, I think we're just lucky to have an anime series dedicated to Pulsechain. And look at the quality of this, guys. It is insane. So a big shout out to the Hog team there. We also have True DeFi, which has come on the scene over the last couple of months and has caused quite an impact with doing institutional kind of investing with their SRE yield. And basically, they take about 10% of the capital that goes in and invest it in key projects on Pulsechain, like Emmett Farms, the top farm there, and take and feed back the yield back into the protocol, which has been a lot of fun. They also recently launched their own farm, True Farm, in collaboration with Emmett Farm, and you can see the team leadership there just to keep pushing ahead. And as I understand, they've got something else coming out down the pipeline very quick. So we're going to see rapid development and deployment from this team as well in the investment space. Pretty cool. So they had some good streams there as well, so you can follow them along there with Neil, Daniel, and Brock. So check out all the videos here as well. True2x brings insane yields back to stakers, and that is the daily RSE deposits that you can see there as well. 10% daily auction house deposits, about 130 million pulse, already come from externally generated yield. Isn't that great? And then we know, I think they're about 26, 27% of the EDI pool in Emmett Farms, which is pretty awesome. So SRE impact on the partner tokens there, Emmett Farm, True Farm, and Dex Farm also getting some love now, delivering consistently growing profitable contributions to True2x stakers. So that's the basic economic setup, and they're expanding that yield options. So pretty cool. So we're getting some good stuff happening there, and check out the video as well. They've got a great little recap video here, about a minute long, so definitely worth checking that out. Let's hit that on the repost button, and let's put in some nice comments while we're at it. True DeFi, crushing of the what do you call it? I guess index yields. You got to make sure you spell it right. Index yields, nice. All right, so let's post that up there. Very cool. All right, so that is happening at the moment. We also got obviously Emmett Farm and really leading the way in the farms and technology. Emmett Farm APRs there, along with there's a few other farms doing it as well, like Nexium and places. Emmett APRs surge and stable growth on Pulsechain, and so we're seeing some really nice, consistent, good yields, including EDI rewards. So you can go for your stable or your volatile yields. And Emmett Farm there just continue to crush it. I mean, awesome stuff. Single side staking, earn EDI, pretty cool. And of course, if you wanted to go for a bit more high risk return, you also got the liquidity farms, right? That volatile farms where you can get into all sorts of pairs and earn some pretty tasty yields there. Of course, we've seen some pretty amazing, just about every popular project on Pulsechain's on there, as well as some pretty awesome performance with the Emmett token over a long period of time. So it's been pretty good. So definitely check out all the socials there. Get into Emmett Farm. They also do airdrops in Emmett Farm, and they're the most consistent, really leading the way in that front as well. So Emmett Farm really has taken command of the farming sector on Pulsechain. But we're going to hear more from the farming community on Pulsechain in the future. So keep a lookout for that. Speaking of another innovative farm, we've got Nexium unleashes a storm of new DeFi products. Now, they're a bit broader than a farm. They also have leverage play and other stuff like that. They really are leading the innovation frontier along with Emmett. So Nexium Pulse is DeFi Unleashed, powered by Neon. Neon is the token for the platform, of course. Master Chef Creator, you can launch your own tokens, deploy farms, set emissions, and go live within minutes, which is pretty amazing. Pulse Beefy Vaults are relatively new. Auto compounding for set to get yields, reconnect high yield protocols into one system. Gas efficient harvesting supports multiple DEX strategies, zero deposit and withdrawal fees. And you can see some of just a little bit of a sneak peeks. Some of the platform Nexian really is going next level, and we're lucky to have this project on Pulsechain for sure. V Neon there, vote escrow Neon and lock up to 4 years for boosted yields. So pretty cool. Also got prediction markets now in play, so they're really leading in the frontier of that. Prediction markets are very popular. Pulse bet markets on events, so you can do all of that. Upcoming Aura farms as well as coming, so more farm expansion and dexes, stake for protocol revenue, governance power, and boosted yields. So it's going to be fun. And they're also going to relaunch their Chrono Rift V2 incoming. So that's the second version of that. Plus Glow lending, of course. Do check it out. Glow is their big leverage product, up to 10x leverage, and you definitely got to check that out on tokens and farm pools, which is pretty huge. So you can see some of the imagery there, looking very good indeed. And of course, you can pick up Neon too on the markets. So Nexian is right up there on the frontier of the DeFi there. We also obviously got some non-profit type of activities on Pulsechain. Hero supporting veterans and first responders on Pulsechain. You've got the Hero token and the Vets token, and they've both got a lot of support in some of the farms as well, like True Farms, like Emmett Farms, that also you can farm the token in there too. And it's a great way of giving back to the veterans who serve and keep us safe and all the rest of it. So that's pretty cool. Obviously, the Crypto Night Show is in play as well. You guys can smash the follow button and hit the subscribe for more great content. So awesome stuff. Now, remember, the Monster Thread's reaching out to probably around about 35 to 50,000 people every week. And this is in a bear market. Imagine it in a bull market. Could be well into the hundreds of thousands. It's going to be pretty exciting to see that. And 42 weeks now is pretty amazing. Got another publication, of course, coming soon for the Pulsechain. If you're a farm team or something like that, hit us up. Either myself, either in Telegram, on X here, or in the Discord, or hit up MVS as well. So, and we'll help you out there. Some exciting stuff coming in the DeFi and yield farming space, and so we're looking forward to bringing a new publication there as well. So, I hope you guys are enjoying it. That was pretty awesome. So, big shout out to MVS Crypto, the editor-in-chief there, and promotional lead for the Crypto Night Show. Hope you guys are enjoying that publication. 42 weeks now, only 10 more weeks to go until 1 year of publications. Isn't that great? So Pulsechain is looking good. All right, take care, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, bye for now.